Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I want to talk about an autoresponder that's being used by the top internet millionaire gurus. An affordable autoresponder where you can build a massive, gigantic list with very small amount of payment. So you probably heard about these big time autoresponders like Aweber, GetResponse, Sendlane, etc. These autoresponders are quite expensive, and a lot of people just don't get started with these type of autoresponder is just because the monthly cost is quite high. So in this video, I have decided to share an autoresponder that has a very high inbox delivery rate, very high open rate, very high click-through rate. It has all the features like a typical autoresponder, and you can get started as soon as today, okay, with a very minimum price. In other words, it's quite affordable, okay. So I'm going to walk you through this autoresponder, what this autoresponder is, and if you are just standing on the fence thinking, I want to build a real solid internet business online, I want to make money online, but the problem is that when it comes to making money online, I need an autoresponder, and the autoresponders are very expensive, then I have a solution for you. In this video, keep watching this video, because in this video I'm going to share an autoresponder that's very cheap and does all the heavy lifting for you and does all the job for you like the other typical autoresponders. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. If you have a question, just leave a comment for me. And if you want to learn exactly how me and my students are making money, crushing it online, and how thousands of people are making money online, then check out all the links in my description box below this video. So let's dive into this. What is an autoresponder? If you don't know what autoresponder means, autoresponder is a software that sends the email out for you. So you have an opt-in page just like this, okay, an opt-in page where you drive traffic, people enter their email address, and then click this button. Where does this email go? It goes and is stored into an autoresponder, okay. So it's stored into an autoresponder just like this, and then you can communicate with your subscribers, send them marketing emails, bonus emails, training emails, promotional materials, etc. okay. So basically you just write a quick email, press the send button, and that email goes out. Now normally people use those top autoresponders, all right, which is Aweber, GetResponse, Sendlane, etc. Now those top autoresponders are very good. I highly recommend them, okay, but sometimes it could get a bit more tough and expensive for someone who's just getting started online and thinking, I want to build a business, but at the same time I'm looking for a solution where I have to spend minimum money onto my business so I could work my way up until I make enough money so I could reinvest, okay. So I don't want this to stop you from creating an internet business. So I have decided that I'm going to share an autoresponder in this video which is affordable and very cheap, and anyone can get this autoresponder. It does all the heavy lifting for you, and the autoresponder is a very good autoresponder. Like you see these testimonials here, check this out. This person sent an email, he got 1000 opens, 450 opens, 33 clicks. Here's another one, he sent an email out, okay, and that was sent to 27,476 people, okay. 2,687 people opened his email. He got 622 clicks, okay. 68,000 sent, 6,977 people opened the email, and 1,714 clicks, okay. So it's got a very high, very high inbox delivery rate. Look at this one. Here's another one. Someone sent a couple of emails out, like 2,000 emails, getting some very good opens, okay, and you can see the clicks as well. And you're gonna, now let me just be very clear, okay. Here I have a lot of experience. I've with a couple of autoresponders. I have an account with Aweber, I have an account with GetResponse, I have an account with System, I have an account with let me tell you, I have not seen anything like this, okay. Check this out, 68,000, 6,000, 7,000 opens. That is insane, man. 1,714 clicks, okay? If I go up, okay, let me just go back. Where's those other ones? Okay, here's another one. You could see here, 3,000 opens, 181 clicks, 400 opens, 44 clicks. Okay, check this one. You probably know this guy, okay? This guy is all over the internet, okay? So check this out. Look at this. 62,000 sent, 9,000 open, 871 clicks. Check out these clicks, okay? This is insane, alright? So, you might be asking, wait, hey, this is sounding so good. I want access to this autoresponder. If you want access to this autoresponder, link is popping up right on your screen on your video, okay? You need to open up a new browser and type this website address that's popping up right on your screen. Go to this website address right now and you will able to get your account with this autoresponder. Now let me share this autoresponder, okay? So when you open up a new browser and go to this, you're going to see something like this, okay? Build your email, build your lead pages, 20,000 subscribers for just 25 bucks a month. You're not going to get this with any other autoresponder. Up to 20,000 subscribers just for $25 a month. You're kidding, right? You're kidding. No, this is real. This is true, okay? So check this out. You just need to watch this video. It explains everything and it's got a very high inbox delivery rate as well, alright? It's special offer, $25 a month. Just go to this website address and you will be able to get access to this. Now let me log into my account and let me show you, okay? So once you have your autoresponder, you're going to see something just like this. Now this does everything what the other autoresponders do as well, alright? So if I go to the dashboard, I could create a broadcast, I could drag and drop email builder, code your own HTML, previous message editor. It does everything which other typical autoresponder does, alright? So if I go to my campaigns, okay, so I'm going to show you, alright, so here's my campaign. Check this out. I just sent 14 emails, okay, sent 14 to 14 people, 5 opens, 4 clicks. Can you see? Okay, this is not a lot, but this is just the beginning, okay, my friend. So if I go to campaigns, then I have the list, I have the add campaign, custom field, global field, automation rules, etc, etc. If I go to the messages, I'll show you the messages as well. Okay, this is where you put your email automation emails. So you can see all these automation all set up for myself, and which means that whenever I get a subscriber, all these emails will go out on my behalf on completely autopilot. Okay, and then when you go to subscribers, you can search your subscriber forms. Okay, this is where you can build your own landing page using this autoresponder. Okay, create a form wizard, form list. You could also import and export contacts. I don't recommend importing contacts, okay, because once you import contact, your account goes into pending. I've tried it. It went into pending and they do a lot of research about these contacts, etc, etc, and most likely it's going to be disapproved. Okay, so don't do manual contact. I highly recommend when you join this autoresponder, you want to start off from scratch. Okay, so import, and then you could see here, you could go here, you could see the lead capture system. If I just click on the lead capture system here, let's just wait for it to load. You could see here I've got a couple of lead capture systems down here. Alright, so work from home, okay, Boss Street, backup leads, got backup pre-online here. So I've got a couple of campaigns just down here. Then you could go to the secret code funnel. Okay, I could go to my business. This is where actually you can also go out there and become an affiliate to promote this. Okay, so once you join this with this cheap special opening price, where the link is popping up right on the screen right now, just go here and join this. Okay, then you can become an affiliate as well at the same time and promote this yourself as well. All right, so what do you need to do? First of all, you need to go here, open up this page, okay, go to this website address and create your account. Not free account. If I've been saying free, I'm sorry, it's not free. It's $25 a month. Okay, so create your account. And once you have created your account, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to campaigns. Okay, and you want to go through, like I said, I always say this, when you're getting started with anything for the first time, make sure that you click on each link and get familiar with the entire product and system. This makes life very, very easy. Okay, it's that simple. Okay, so yes, here it is. You got a whole autoresponder, no more excuse if you're standing on the fence thinking that these are very expensive. A cheap autoresponder with a very high email delivery rate, inbox rate, and you can get started today. Just get your account ready, go to campaigns, get familiar with the entire system, and start creating your email follow-ups. Okay, if you have any kind of question, you can leave a comment, and there are plenty of videos and on training and tutorial about this autoresponder and how to set it up, how to create your email follow-ups, and how to create your campaigns, how to get your lead magnet page, how to integrate and do all that. It only takes a couple of minutes and you can get started. Once you're familiar with it, it only takes a couple of minutes to set everything up. You start driving traffic and you start building a list and you start making money. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section box, and I will see you in the next video.